Today's project involves replacing this old fence. Well, another section of the backyard that had the same fence. We just removed it and are installing a new fence over here. As you can see, there's a fence missing under the trees. All right. We're, I would say, halfway done. My dad's busy cutting the trees to make sure we have space to move. So in case you're wondering, we are installing the HOFT system. All right, we are almost there. Looking good. And this is the final product. Turned out way better than we expected, and faster too.